Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. My name is Sukriti, and if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell button so that you get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. This is my first ever tutorial and for song Aoge Jab Tum, which has received lots and lots of love. Thank you so much for that. It was so overwhelming to see such good response coming from you all by the comments you put on the comment section. It was so sweet. Thank you so much once again. So if you haven't watched the video yet, I would suggest you to go and check it out once before you start with the tutorial. I'll be putting the link here in the I-bar. So that it will become easier for you to learn the choreography because you'll have an idea of it, okay? So yeah, go check it out once and come back. This tutorial is divided into two parts, so make sure you watch both of them so as to learn the full choreography. Okay, so before the lyric starts, we have this music for about 10 to 15 seconds. For that, I'm sitting like this. This is my right side, this is my left side, and my right leg is folded like this, left leg is simply in front of me. Okay, so for the musical part, we have these 4 sequences that we have to follow. The first 2 sequence goes like 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 3 4. Okay, and in these 2 sequences, the 1 2 has that surprise element. So that 1 2 has to be done with that crisp and jerky motion. Okay, jerky but graceful at the same time. So for the first sequence, the first step goes like 1 2. Okay, so 1, when I do 1, this is the mudra of my hands. Imagine as if you're taking water in your hands. Okay, like this. So your hand, both of your hand goes slightly towards the right side and you do a little upliftment here. So there is a little upliftment that happens in 1, and I'm also looking to my hands. So I do 1, I'm looking to my hands, then extend your arms to your top left corner. Okay, so that is the top left corner, and I'm looking also in the same direction. And the speed that we have to follow is quite fast. Okay, we'll go 1 2. After 2, we have this 1 2 3 4. So we'll do 1 2 3 4. So as I told you, after 1 2 1 2 3 4 बहुत आराम से होगा. ठीक है? So for 1 2, this is a very smooth and wave-like motion that we have to follow, but it is very swift at the same time. So we'll go 1 2. The more gracefully you do it, the better. Okay? 1 2. When I'm saying 1, I'm looking to the top right corner. When I'm saying 2, I'm looking to the top left corner. So it is 1 2 1 2. I hope the steps are clear. Then we'll extend our right arm simply to our right side. Okay, and I'm looking also in the same direction. So I go 1 2 3. Look to your right, and then in the same way to your left with your left arm. Okay, this is the first sequence. Now we'll move forward to the second sequence. Second sequence, the beats are same, 1 2 1 2 3 4. This is the last position. Then we take our left hand back to its position, back to the original position, and now for 1 2 we'll use our right hand. So right hand has the same mudra we did in the first step. Okay, if you remember this, but we only do this time with our only one hand. So we go 1, a little upliftment that happens, and then in 2, flip your arm, right arm up. Okay, you go 1 and flip it in 2. So when I'm doing 1, I'm looking to my hand. Okay, and when I'm doing 2, I'm looking to the right side down. So as I do 2, my left profile is facing the audience. So I go 1 2. Okay, from here comes 1 2 3 4 very smoothly. 1 comes in, 2 goes out, and then 3 all the way up, and in 4 just turn your head. Simple. We'll do the sequence once more. From here, 1 2 1 2 3 and 4. So this is the second sequence. I'll do the both sequence in continuity from the start. 1 2 3 start. 1 2 1 2 3 4. 1 2 1 2 3 and Okay, now we'll move forward to the third sequence. So the third sequence goes like 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the 1 is done with that suddenness. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4 again very slowly or aram se. Okay, so for 1, this was the last position. Okay, for 1 we take our both hands to a little towards the left side. I'm just opening my arms to the right diagonal. Okay, and when I do that, my hands are turning from my wrist just once. So this is the turn that happens. From the wrist we go 1. Okay, from here open your arms and go 1, and in 1 look to the right diagonal. Okay, I'll do it once more. 1. Now for 1, 2, 3, 4, it is done in the same way but from your right this time. So take your hands to your right side, a little towards the right, and from here open your arms, but this time you have to turn your hands twice. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the third sequence is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here 1, 2, 3 has to be done with that suddenness. So from here we go. In 1, take your both hands up to the top left corner. Okay, so you take your both hands up and look in the same direction, and your both hands are together this time. They are not like this, they're together. So they go up parallel to each other and pointing to the top left corner. You also have to look in the same direction as I told you. So this is 1. And in 2, take your both hands down, open your arms and look back. Okay, this is the diagonal that you have to make with your hands. Okay, this is 1. In 2, take your hands down and open your arms, look back. In 3, you just have to turn your face to the opposite direction. So you go 1, 3. So you go 1, 2, turn. Okay, from here we go 1, 2, 3, 4. For 1, 2, 3, 4, take your both hands, bring your both hands closer to you, then turn them inwards and flip them above your head. So from here you go 1, 2, 3, turn them inwards and flip both hands above your head. And meanwhile your left leg also comes back like this. So this is the final position of your legs. From here we take our hands down and we'll make 3 flowers while doing that. So we go 1, 2, 3. Okay, but the speed that we have to follow is a little bit fast. Okay, so you go 1, 2, 3. So your hand comes down to this position and your legs are like this. So the final position is this before the lyrics start. So I'll do the whole musical part from the start in continuity. You can also do it with me from start. Okay, your legs are like this, left leg is like this, right leg is folded. From here we start 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make flowers. 1, 2, 3. I hope the steps are clear. Now the lyric starts. Okay, so the first line is नैना तेरे कचरारे हैं नैनों पे हम दिन. So for नैना तेरे कचरारे हैं, my last position is this. For नैना तेरे, my left hand comes to this place very nicely. Okay, and I'm using my right hand to show नैना. So my right arm comes to this place, left hand is like this, and I'll move my hand from my wrist once. So this is just one turn that we have to make. नैना तेरे. Okay, and for नैना तेरे, आप सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट यहाँ पे आपकी आईज हैं, आपके आई मूवमेंट है, तो आपको बहुत ध्यान से देखना है कि क्या करना है. दिस इज द पोजिशन ऑफ योर हैंड्स. आईज पहले आपकी नीचे देखेंगी. इनिशियली मैं नीचे देख रही हूँ and then gradually lift your eyes to the right side. Okay, I mean to the left side. I'm very sorry. To the left side. From here we go. नैना तेरे. I'm just showing you my eye movement. From here you go. नैना तेरे. very softly, very slowly. Okay, now we'll do the hand movement and eye movement all together. 1, 2, 3, go. Naina tere. Okay, from there comes kajrare. For kajrare, your left hand comes in. You'll place your right arm on your left hand, and then you'll show as if you're putting kajal under your eye. So you place your hand just in front of your right eye, and from here put a kajal. Because how you naturally put your kajal, you go in that semicircular motion. So you go from here to here, and imagine as if you can see the person now. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से जाओगे कजरारे, एंड इन है जो आपको दिख रहा है उसको जाके यू विल पुट दैट नजर का टीका. ठीक है, इन है. वेरी केयरफुल. फ्रॉम हियर कम्स नैनो पे हमदिल. फॉर नैनो पे हमदिल, the arms are in the same position like this, and again you're using your right hand to show Naina. Okay, so this is the mudra, only one finger. So you will show first your left eye, then your right eye. So when you're showing your left eye, your body is tilting oppositely. So when you show your left eye, it goes to the right side. Your body goes to the right side, and when you show your right eye, your body goes to the left side. Halka halka. Naino pe. I hope it's clear. From here we say hum dil. For hum dil, I'll show you the upper body movement first. So for hum, your body turns to the right side. Okay, halka sa in hum. So it goes hum. ठीक है, hum, and in dil it will come back to its to where it was. Okay, so you go hum, bring it back in dil. And here your eyes in hum will look to the right side but back. Okay, so you go hum, look down and to your right side, and in dil look to your left side, straight. Okay, you go hum, look down, dil, look straight. And now your hands. बहुत easy है. आपके fingers का movement होगा ये और ये. 1, 2, and now your arms are placed here. Now imagine as if you're pulling something in hum and leave it in dil. 1, 2, 3, go hum, dil. And in dil, you smile. Okay? वहाँ देखते हुए you have to smile also. I'll do all the steps together from the start. 1, 2, 3, go. नैना तेरे कजरारे है. नैनों पे हम दिल. Now the next word is हारे हैं. For हारे हैं, मैं आपको वो सिचुएशन और मैं क्या कर रही हूँ उसके पहले मीनिंग समझाऊंगी, ताकि so that you will be able to feel the meaning of the lyrics and imagine yourself in that situation. तो उससे आपके ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव और अप्रोप्रिएट एक्सप्रेशंस आएंगे. बिकॉज एक्सप्रेशन तो मैं आपको सिखा नहीं सकती, ठीक है, वो आपको खुद फील करके लाने पड़ेंगे. उसके लिए मैं आपको बता सकती हूँ कि क्या सिचुएशन हम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं थ्रू आवर डांस. तो फॉर हारे हैं आपका ये पोजिशन है. फॉर हारे हैं आपने किया हम दिल. आई टोल्ड यू टू स्माइल इन दिल. ठीक है, तो जैसे आप स्माइल करेंगे, जैसे अपना हेड टर्न करेंगे, imagine as if suddenly you have seen that person and those eyes you have been talking about. तो जैसे ही आप टर्न करेंगे, imagine, ठीक है, जो मैंने आपको बोला, and then eventually you'll get lost in them, क्योंकि वो eyes इतनी beautiful हैं, they're so charming, beautiful that you'll get lost in them eventually. तो आपने किया हम दिल, टर्न करते go blank with your expressions थोड़े टाइम के लिए. क्यों? क्योंकि जैसे हम सडनली किसी को, इट्स वेरी नेचुरल, अगर हम किसी को बहुत एडमायर करते हैं, व्हेन वी सडनली सी दैट पर्सन और वो कोई चीज़, तो हमारे लिए इट्स अ लिटिल सरप्राइज. ओके, तो फॉर टू शो दैट सरप्राइज इन अ पॉजिटिव वे यू विल गो ब्लैंक विद योर एक्सप्रेशन. ऐसे नहीं कि आपको सैड कर देना है अपने एक्सप्रेशंस को, नहीं, बस ब्लैंक, न्यूट्रल. ठीक है, यू गो 1, 2, go blank because you're smiling, go blank, and then धीरे 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 show how mesmerizing those eyes are and get lost in them. We go नैनों पे हम दिल हारे. ठीक है. फ्रॉम हियर कम्स अनजाने ही. फॉर अनजाने, उस स्ट्रीम से आपको बाहर निकलना है अनजाने. सो यू गो हारे हैं अनजाने. अनजाने में अ लिटिल दिस मूवमेंट की आपको एकदम रियलाइज हुआ कि आप बहुत देर से किसी चीज को स्टेयर कर रहे हो, आपको एकदम रियलाइज हुआ. सो यू गो अनजाने ही तेरे. नाउ कम्स नैनो ने. सो योर राइट हैंड फ्रॉम बिहाइंड कम्स ऑल द वे अप, और जैसे ये ऊपर आएगा आपका लेफ्ट हैंड धीरे धीरे नीचे जाएगा. ठीक है, ये साइमल्टेनियसली होना है. फ्रॉम हियर नैनो ने in front of your face. Now we'll do it once more. नैनो पे हम दिल हारे हैं अनजाने ही तेरे नैनो ने. ठीक है, धीरे धीरे लिफ्ट योर आईज आगे. ठीक है, और ये लेफ्ट हैंड आराम से यहाँ से इधर आ गया. फ्रॉम हियर कम्स वादे किए कई सारे हैं. फॉर वादे योर लेफ्ट हैंड विल कम अप, इट विल होल्ड योर राइट हैंड, और आप अपनी दोनों हैंड्स को आगे स्ट्रेच करेंगे. सो योर बॉडी ऑल्सो गोज फॉरवर्ड. ठीक है, फ्रॉम हियर वादे किए कई सारे हैं में लेफ्ट हैंड वापस इस जगह पे आ जाएगा. नाउ यू विल शो कई सारे विद योर राइट हैंड अगेन. सो यू गो फ्रॉम लेफ्ट कई सारे हैं ऑल द वे टू योर राइट. सांसों की लय मध्यम चले तो से कहे. ठीक है, हमने खत्म किया यहाँ पे. फ्रॉम हियर टेक योर बोथ हैंड्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर एब्डोमेन, और ये मुद्रा है. ठीक है, फ्रॉम हियर लिफ्ट योर बोथ हैंड्स अप. ठीक है, धीरे धीरे टेक देम ग्रेजुअली अप. दिस इज सांसों की लय. यू हैव टू क्लोज योर आईज इन दिस स्टेप. देन गो सांसों की लय. ओके, फ्रॉम हियर कम्स मध्यम चले. सो यू मेक दीज waves. Okay, so it's 1 2. From here comes तो से कहे. Take your both hands in front of your mouth and go तो से कहे, as if you're trying to say something. तो ये हल्का सा tilt भी होगा आपका face. So you go तो से कहे. From here comes बरसेगा सावन. बरसेगा सावन के लिए take your both hands up to the right side, और ये एक दूसरे के सामने भी नहीं है, ऊपर नीचे है. From here take your both hands down with that shaky motion. So you go बरसेगा सावन. This is shaking also, क्योंकि हम बारिश दिखा रहे हैं. From here comes बरसेगा सावन. For second बरसेगा सावन, your left hand will go to this place, and you will use your right hand again. So this is the mudra, and take your right hand all the way up to the left side. ठीक है, from here हम इसको धीरे धीरे नीचे लेके आएंगे diagonally to the right side, but नीचे. From here बरसेगा सा till सा. In सा it has to reach at this position. ठीक है, in 1 take your left hand here and then flip your hand in this direction. तो आपको इसके साथ अपना head भी turn करना है. Look up. I'll do all these steps in continuity. यहाँ पे खत्म किया. From here comes सांसों की लय मध्यम चले तो से कहे बरसेगा सावन. बरसेगा सावन. ठीक है, 1. I hope all the steps are clear to you. इसके बाद आता है झूम झूम के दो दिल ऐसे मिलेंगे. तो यहाँ से आपको बिना रुके, ठीक है, ये स्टेप कंप्लीट करते ही you will go forward to your next step. So from here you do the next step, which is this. You will show the raindrops just 3 times. तो उसके लिए हम पहले दिखाएंगे, हमारे हाथ बेसिकली alternatively turn होंगे in this step. So first my right hand will face me, left hand will turn back, then my left hand will face me, right hand will turn back, and then the opposite of it, just 3 times. Or this is the movement that we have to do with our fingers. So it goes like 1, 2 and 3, just 3 times. 1, 2, 3. अब आपको देखना कहाँ है? From here we go up, middle, down. Next वाले झुमके के लिए we'll turn our both hands in this direction to the left direction just once from our wrist. So from here झुमके, ठीक है? I hope it's clear. फिर से एक बार करें from the first बरसेगा सावन, बरसेगा सावन, बरसेगा सावन, 1, 2, 3, झुमके. From here comes दो दिल ऐसे मिलेंगे. For दो दिल, you'll first take your right hand and bring it to your left side. Take your left hand and bring it to your right side. So you go दो, look to the same direction. दिल, ठीक है? For ऐसे मिलेंगे. We are making this small circle with our hands. Now your eyes. सबसे ज़्यादा important वही है. For ऐसे initially you look in front straight, ठीक है? From here we go. धीरे धीरे आपको अपनी eyes नीचे लेके आनी है and look to your hands, ठीक है? So we go ऐसे मिलेंगे. From here take your eyes धीरे धीरे 1, 2, 3 to the right diagonal. So we'll take our eyes धीरे धीरे gradually आपको लेके जानी है 1, 2, 3. In the third beat उसको पहुंचना है उस डायरेक्शन में. यहाँ से करते हैं ऐसे मिलेंगे 1, 2, 3. Now the next line is आओगी जब तुम ओ साजना अंगना फूल खिलेंगे. For that you have to show as if you are anxiously waiting for someone. तो आपका ये स्टेप यहाँ पे खत्म हुआ तो आपका हाथ यहाँ से your hand movement is simply this. This shows that you're anxious. So you go this. 1, 2, 3. आओगे जब तुम, ठीक है? And now you have to search that person with your eyes. हर जगह देखो कि मतलब basically you're waiting for someone, तो आप ढूंढ रहे हो कि आया या नहीं या कहाँ से आया. तो यहाँ से आपने स्माइल किया. आओगे जब तुम, उस तुम करते ही stop at a point, ठीक है? And now imagine as if you can see that person coming, ठीक है? Now in O Sajna, so first O Sajna you go O Sajna, ठीक है? Because now you can see that person coming and you're very excited and you love that person and you admire that person a lot. So you go this क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि उसको नजर न लग जाए, ठीक है? That you do to show love basically here in India. So left hand goes to this position when you do this and you go, ये नजर उतारने वाला एक वो होता है. तो आपका हाथ एक छोटा सा सर्कल लेगा और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. And show with your eyes how much you adore that person. So you go ओ साजना, ठीक है? बहुत प्यार से, कितना सुंदर है, ठीक है? दैट ओ साजना. Now अंगना फूल खिलेंगे. For अंगना, take your both hands, turn them inwards, make a circle with your arms, ठीक है? So you go अंगना, ठीक है? अंगना में आपको straight देखना है. For फूल खिलेंगे, make 2 flowers with your hands. So first make a flower with your right hand, फूल खिलेंगे. Then with your left hand, फूल खिलेंगे. Then आपको because एक गार्डन है, ठीक है, जहाँ पर आप दिखा रहे हो फ्लावर्स, तो गार्डन में बहुत सारे लीव्स होती हैं, बुशेस होती हैं, चीज़ें होती हैं. तो what you do is आप हल्के से पत्ते हटाओगे and then you can see a beautiful flower. So you go pluck it, put it on your hair and then So this was the first stanza. I'll do the last portion again for you from here. Okay? This. Okay. जब तुम ओ साजना अंगना फूल खिलेंगे 1 2 3 ठीक है फूल खिलेंगे के बाद आप हटाओगे you will go pluck the flower put it on your hair and धीरे धीरे look softly to your right diagonal. Okay, so this was the first part of the tutorial. I'm going to teach you the second stanza in the second part, so make sure you watch that as well. I'll be putting the link here in the description box, also in the I-bar, so make sure you watch that as well. And if you are going to try any of my choreographies, make sure you tag me. Here is the username on Instagram and put a hashtag Sukriti choreography, which is also mentioned here in the screen, so that I can watch all the lovely videos. And yeah, love you. Bye. See you in my next part. Bye.